Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to enable NFC on the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This allows you to use contactless payments, share data and connect to NFC devices. So let's get started. First open the settings. Now tap on the connections. And here you can see NFC and contactless payments where you can enable or disable this feature. You can also tap on these settings to see more options, and in the contactless payments section you can choose your default wallet app such as Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet. You can also enable NFC quickly by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and tapping the NFC icon in the quick panel. If you don't see the NFC icon, tap on Pencil, Edit, and you can try to find it in available buttons. Tap on it and it will be automatically added to quick setting panel. Now just tap done, again done, and now you can find it in the quick setting panel. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.